We all know the struggle, the endless waiting, the unpredictable schedules, and the insane cost of fares.
But what if you could enjoy the convenience of a private vehicle at the cost of commuting?
That's why motorcycle taxi services like MoveIt have become very popular in the Philippines for a while now. They're designed for those who need to get around the city safely, quickly, and affordably. But of course, aside from being fast and affordable, we'd also want our ride to be reliable, comfortable, and safe. This is exactly what MoveIt is bringing to the table with its new upgraded app, which is now powered by Grab technology. This way, you are assured of accurate and efficient mapping to pinpoint your location and destination. Not all mobility apps have the same level of accuracy as this one. Your driver will be able to locate your precise location, avoid delays, and longer wait times. And your MoveIt driver will be able to get to you quicker and get you to your destination with the most efficient routing for the optimum travel time and mileage. That's how cutting-edge this online mapping system is. This new tech provides highly responsive routing data that enables driver partners to adapt to the road changes and update in real time. Whether it's due to traffic jams that you need to avoid or a faster shortcut presenting itself, your MoveIt driver is on it. Get it? With the updated app, you can enjoy accurate and specific location pinning that ensures a precise pickup and drop-off experience. This means no time is wasted on mismatched locations between passengers and their riders. And that's not all. MoveIt has improved safety features such as VoIP, Share My Ride, and 24/7 Safety Center. VoIP, or Voice over Internet Protocol, aims to protect data privacy between drivers and passengers. This means you can contact your driver using the MoveIt app, ridding the need for external third-party messaging. There's Share My Ride that allows the passenger to share ride details with friends or family to ensure that they are updated on your location during the ride. This makes the trip even more worry-free for both the passenger and those that they hold dear. Besides having extensive road safety training for its ride partners, MoveIt doubles down on safety with its 24/7 Safety Center. This allows every passenger to report incidents, emergency assistance, or just about anything that you need help with. Through the Safety Center, passengers can easily access prompts to contact law enforcement or their emergency contacts. Don't have the app yet? Try it now by downloading from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. It's so quick and easy, you can sign up under a minute. Simply enter your mobile number, confirm it with the OTP, add your name, and you are all set. You can log in using your Google account or Apple ID and start booking a ride. Then pay with either cash, debit card, or credit card, whichever you fancy. And here's one last tip. Did you know that MoveIt is very committed to providing Masmura Rides guarantee for your motorcycle rides on a fare or kilometer basis? Yep, that's right. If you find a lower fare or kilometer rate from other competitors, MoveIt offers to match that price by giving you a ride voucher to make up for the fare difference. And MoveIt wants to prove that it is truly a champion of transparency as it emails you a full breakdown of your fare after every trip. Alternatively, you can also check your in-app activity history. How's that for committing to great service? But don't just take our word for it. Download the new MoveIt app and try it out now. So, have you guys tried MoveIt? Let us know in the comment section below. But if you found this video enjoyable, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay.